Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In this clip here, you see my mom right there helping me out. She came to visit and she said my front yard looks a mess. And being the person that she is, she just went right at it and started picking at the weeds. However, hubby and I, we wanted to do a front yard makeover, so we kind of neglected the front yard and didn't do much to it. So since mommy came and she put in all that work, so we decided that we were gonna do it. So the inspiration that I had for the front yard was the tropical vibe. If you know anything about me, you know I love palm trees, I love the beach. I just wanted a tropical vibe. So we went to a couple of different places. We went to Lowe's and Home Depot to look for supplies, but we didn't really have like the greatest selection. So we went to a local place here in Houston, and they had everything. Hey guys, I plan on doing less talking and more captioning in the video, so just pay attention and watch till the end. It was a fun project and I think someone will benefit from this, and it was very doable. If you enjoyed this and it helped you out, please don't forget to share it with a friend. Hey guys, I'm back. You made it to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end. I love how everything turned out. I can't believe that my husband and I really did that. Like, we really did that, y'all. So let's discuss details. This project took 2 days. We did it on a weekend. We worked all day Saturday and like a little bit of Sunday morning. We went with stones because we wanted a tropical look. The stones were a little bit more pricier, but the maintenance in the long run is so much better. Prior to this makeover, we had mulch. The mulch can get very messy. When it rains, my concrete was getting dirty. Every couple months, we had to pay someone to come out and refill it. So we decided we didn't want mulch. I think the stone leaves us with a cleaner look and definitely gives me that tropical vibe that I was going for. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to my channel for more. Bye bye.